Nowadays, SIM plan prices are so low that you can consider using it with a router to replace fiber broadband. If you are watching this video, then this is probably what you are using now. A SIM card router can provide a permanent Wi-Fi hotspot for small households at a low cost. Typically, you could save $250 in the first year and more in the second. In areas with good 5G coverage, a more expensive 5G router can offer quality similar to fiber.
Before changing to SIM card router, study the checklist and watch the demo. Don't expect to play fast games using Wi-Fi from 4G SIM router. Don't expect fast downloads of big files using browsers. Video may lag if the cellular signal is weak, or if the average download speed is less than 5 megabits per second, or if there is congestion, or if the ISP blocks your speed.
An average download speed of 20 megabits per second or above is actually enough for most small homes.